Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to use Shopify's fraud prevention tools to protect your store from fraudulent transactions. Online fraud is a serious issue that can hurt your business, so understanding how to properly utilize these tools is essential for securing your store and protecting your profits. This video explains how you can use Shopify's built-in fraud prevention features to keep your store safe. First up, Shopify offers an automatic fraud analysis for every order. It assesses the risk level of each order by looking at several factors, including the payment method, IP address, shipping address, and even the purchase behavior of the customer. This analysis assigns a risk score, helping you make informed decisions on whether to fulfill or cancel an order. Another crucial tool is Shopify's chargeback protection. If a customer files a chargeback, Shopify helps by investigating the case and providing guidance on how to respond. You can also sign up for Shopify's fraud prevention service to get additional layers of protection, such as monitoring for suspicious activity and blocking risky transactions before they even happen. In addition to these tools, Shopify also integrates with third-party apps designed specifically for fraud prevention. These apps offer extra features, like real-time transaction monitoring and alerts when suspicious activity occurs, so you can act quickly. Some popular apps that work with Shopify include Signified and No Fraud, which can help you prevent fraud while reducing the time you spend manually reviewing orders. Lastly, it's always a good idea to enable Shopify's 3D Secure feature. This adds an extra layer of authentication during the payment process, requiring customers to verify their identity before completing the transaction. While it might add a slight delay for customers, it significantly reduces the risk of fraudulent chargebacks and increases trust in your store. In summary, Shopify provides several effective fraud prevention tools, such as automated fraud analysis, chargeback protection, third-party app integrations, and 3D Secure, all designed to help protect your store and customers. By using these features, you can reduce the chances of fraud and keep your business secure. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.